Welcome to the demo video for CoverActionPro 3.0. I'm going to show you how things have been totally simplified now when it comes to creating professional presentation graphics for your books and products. I'm going to give you a quick tour of CoverActionPro. I'm going to walk you through the different mockups and templates, and then I'll show you how to create your own 3D product shot in just under a minute. Let's go ahead and get started here. I'll go over to the browser, and I've already got CoverActionPro downloaded and installed. You can see the mockups are divided up into separate folders. You can just easily come through here and browse around. You can sort by the size of the mockups and the covers. The dimensions are divided up in their own separate folders for you just to make things convenient. Here's some magazines, media players, notebooks, paperback books, and I have the products and courses here. And there's just over 500 mockups that are included with CoverActionPro 3.0. So what we're going to do here in this video, I'm going to show you how in just under a minute or in just seconds, how you can apply a book cover and create a 3D product shot. So let's go into the templates, and these are the pre-made templates that are included with CoverActionPro. You can totally customize these. Let's go ahead and pick one out here for this video here. How about this one right here, public speaking? So I'll go ahead and right click on that and open that up into Photoshop. Okay, so this is a 6x9 book cover. So what I'll do is I'll return back to the browser, and I'll just go over here where the Paperback Books is. I'll go ahead and expand that. And you can see the Paperback Books are divided up into different sizes. So depending on whatever size book cover that you're working on, you can just come in here to the folder that will show all the sizes or all the different mockups for those dimensions. So in this example, we're working with a 6x9 book. So I'll click on the 6x9 folder, and now it's displaying all the mockups for the 6x9 covers. Look at that. So we have some pointing to the right, some pointing to the left. We have stacked books here. And so let's pick one out here for this project. This one looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and just right click and choose to open that into Photoshop. Great. I'm going to go back over to my template, and I'm going to go up here to select, and then over here to edit, copy, and then back over on the mockup, I'm going to double click on the cover layer and then choose paste, close it, save, and the cover's been applied to the mockup. I've got other different controls for this mockup, like the shine. I can control, give it a little bit more pizzazz or add a little bit more glare to it. I can control the shadow of this. So if I wanted to darken the shadow a little bit, I can do that, or I can lessen the shadow, or just completely turn off the shadow. I can remove the background from these mockups if I wanted to change the background color, or I could save this mockup and place it on my website and make sure that the book will fit over the color background on my website. I can adjust the look and feel of these 3D covers in just seconds. And I can't really say that with any other software that's out there right now, or there's really not a lot of software that gives you all of these possibilities in just a few clicks. And with all the different cover sizes and spine sizes that are available, you always have a mock-up that's going to fit your projects. So let's jump over to another one here. Let's go back to the templates, and I'll scroll down here and let's pick out something else. How about this podcasting template here? I'll go ahead and open that up into Photoshop. Now this looks like this is a 5x8 cover here. So we're going to go into the browser, and then what I'll do is click inside of the 5x8 folder underneath the paperback section, and I can browse through here and choose a paperback. Let's see. I like this one right here. I'll go ahead and right click and open that up into Photoshop. Great. And then I'll go back over on the template, and just to let you guys know, it's so easy to edit and modify these templates to fit your own products. I could just click the type tool in the toolbar, click directly right on the template. I'm going to get a blinking cursor here, and I can select the text. I can put any text in here that I want. I can put software or launching your website or something like that. It's so easy. I can just confirm that. I can click on some other text and just edit the text directly on the template. I don't have to get into something that's very complicated in Photoshop or anything like that. Basically, if you can copy and paste, you can use CoverActionPro. It's very, very straightforward. I can change the color of different elements and different objects on the templates. I can just right-click on them and go over here on this layer, and there's a color overlay on this badge here. I'll just go ahead and double-click on that color overlay, and I get this little layer style window. I'll click on the color box, and I'll just change the color by selecting a color from the spectrum here. And when I like it, I'll go ahead and click OK. Click OK once more, and it's done. And also, I'm including all the tutorials when you become a member of CoverActionPro. You get access to the training area, and I really show you and how it's been totally simplified to create and modify these templates and create your own product shots in just minutes. All right, so I'll go ahead and undo that. And what we're going to do here is apply this cover to our new mockup, which is over here. So I'll come up here to select all, edit, copy, and let's go over to the mockup, and then I'll just double click on the cover layer, paste, save, and it's applied to the mockup. It's that fast. And I've got this shine layer over here that I can adjust just to give it a little bit more glow if I want to. And so that looks really good. And now I'm ready to place it on my website. If you are coming from a previous version of CoverActionPro, the 3D quality and the detail has been totally enhanced and improved. You can see the before and after here from CoverActionPro 2.0. When you switch to 3.0, it just really gets so much better. And we've got the multiple different spine sizes for each of the books that are included with the set. The attention to detail with the hardcover books have been improved. You can see all the multiple different sizes that are here. Books that are in different angles, pointing to the left and the right. Landscape books. We've covered all the most commonly used sizes in the industry today. You're going to find a mockup that's going to fit your cover perfect. We've got paperback books here, stacked paperback books. We have books in A4 European sizes. The magazines look absolutely beautiful. We've added extra shine to the magazines so they really stand out on your websites. We've got landscape books. If you're creating books, if you have larger format covers for children's books, photography books, or instruction booklets, they're all right here. And we've also included these in A5 and A4 European sizes as well. So we've got binders and notebooks, and these have really taken advantage of the 3D technology that was used when creating CoverActionPro. These come in multiple different angles. We have all the common sizes, 8.5 by 11. You're going to see notebooks with multiple different color spines, so you can match the spines with your covers of your notebooks. The website displays and devices, I'm totally blown away on the quality on how this came out. I've really seen nothing else out there like this. But this is a great way to present your web applications and your websites to your clients or your prospects, or maybe you're creating a study course and increase that value in their eyes. We've got box sets here that are really popular for indie authors when they submit their box sets to Amazon. These come in multiple different angles and different styles. There's just lots of highlights and different things to really make them shine and glow on multiple different backgrounds. Products and study courses. This is for those big high-ticket items you can create with CoverActionPro. This is one of the largest sections of CoverActionPro, and there's just so many different product shots and different elements when you're creating your home study courses. And or maybe you've been thinking about creating a home study course, but you haven't quite jumped on it yet. Well, now you can get inspiration. You can browse through here and get ideas on what your course could look like and how it will look on your website. So you can increase and create that tangible value in your prospects' eyes. And so there's just so many things you can do with this. We have media players for membership websites, for displaying modules and different things like that. So different angles. We've included a much higher variety in this new version of Cover Action Pro. The software boxes have been greatly enhanced. If you are creating bundles of software, or if you're just creating a simple web app or something like that, these new product shots are just stunning. We've got open box covers here. They're pointing to the left and the right. We've got multiple box sets and different shots. And the 50 pre-made cover templates that are included, which are completely editable. There's also CreateSpace templates that are included. If you are a publisher of CreateSpace, we've also included the front and back covers of the books and also the spines of these books. And these are built on top of the CreateSpace templates. So there's just so much here, and there are no license restrictions. You can make these 3D covers. You can profit from the 3D covers if you want to. You can make money creating book covers for other people. There's no watermarks on these images. There's no monthly fees. You can download them and have them right on your computer. You can create an unlimited amount of 3D product shots anytime you want.